friends, welcome back to Thursday Cooking with Kevin. I have a special treat this week and I have to give a shout out to Michelle, Chickens by the Lake, because we're doing egg rolls. Well, I guess the recipe says egg rolls, the pastries I got says spring rolls, so you choose what you want to call them. It seems to be a fairly simple recipe, so I'll go down the list. It calls 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. That's to do the cooking in the pan. 3/4 pound of ground pork, lean, medium, whatever you want. Salt, pepper to taste. A teaspoon of minced garlic. Teaspoon of minced ginger. We didn't buy actual real ginger because we already had ground ginger, so we'll just use that up. 3 cups coleslaw. 1/4 cup sliced green onions, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of toasted sesame seed oil. What else? 12 egg roll wrappers, 1 egg beaten, and of course oil for frying. So there's the...
Now that's not Michelle's recipe.
No, it's not. It just, I got the idea from Michelle, and Kelly was poking me before I went on camera to say, make sure you mention it. Make sure you mention it. So I mentioned, yes. So it is an idea from Michelle, and they look good. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to stop the video, and we're going to meet back up over at the stove, where we're going to bring everything together. All right, we're over at the stove, as you can see. And the pan is starting to heat up. I'm going to add in the olive oil. I'm just going to let that heat up. All right, so we're going to heat. It says 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I use obviously extra virgin olive oil over medium to high heat. And we're going to add in the ground pork, and we're going to season it with the salt and pepper. Up. We're just gonna let that heat up. I'll read the rest of the instructions here. So obviously we're going to cook, breaking up the pork with the spatula until the meat's brown, cook thoroughly through. Then we're going to add in our garlic and our ginger. We're going to cook for about another 30 seconds. After that, we're going to stir in that coleslaw mix and the green onions. And we're going to do that until the cabbage starts to wilt, about 3 to 4 minutes. Then we're going to put in the soy sauce, sesame seed oil. We're going to remove it from the heat, and we're going to spoon about 2 to 3 tablespoons on each egg roll. Yep. Now, it calls here to deep fry, whatever. We're not doing that. I'm going to do it in the air fryer. It's a little bit more healthier, and hopefully it'll turn out as well. All right, this meat, almost done. Just gonna give it about a minute or more. Still a couple pieces in here I can see that are very, very light and take. Now we're going to do the coleslaw and the green onions. I knew I was gonna miss a step. Alright, yeah, I did. But that's okay. You can still get it in. I forgot to add the, of course I just lost my lid too. The garlic and the ginger in before I added my greens, but that's okay. It happens. I think I did it in the last video too. I was supposed to put seasoning in the sauce when I did the chicken. Oh, it smells good already. The ginger and stuff. Alright, we're going to add in the soy sauce, so 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. It's going to be 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. Couple minutes. Okay. So all the inside the ingredients of the egg rolls / spring rolls are done. It's cooked. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring me back to the other counter and show you putting these all together. All right, we're ready to put the egg rolls together. First thing I gotta do is beat 1 egg, and this we're gonna use this to glue all our edges together. Yeah. Those are thin. Should I use like couple?
No. That's what they are.
I thought they were thicker than that though.
No.
No? Okay. Well,
That's what they
if
are.
these don't work out, it's her fault. Okay. Oh,
This is my one.
I need to shut my stove off. Okay, so about, they say about 2 to 3 teaspoons, tablespoons. I have no idea what I'm doing here.
Maple. It's just like a burrito.
Well, it's not quite.
Okay, now you can put your egg on it. And do you need help?
No, I don't need help. What I need you to do is just sit there and let me do it.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you. There we go. Like I said, we're going to do them in the air fryer. Put them in here. Just wondering, should I spray that air fryer, Phil?
You could.
Yeah. Alright. Smells good, I'll tell you. Oh, look at that. See, by the time you do the second one, it's just like being a pro. One more to go.
bet you everybody's done. Yep, we can hear Dorothy and Kelly in the background.
Well, there's some done. It's all fit in there. Okay, I'm gonna drop them in there. When they're cooked and we're ready to eat dinner, we'll bring you back for the big taste test. Because we got a couple of special guests with us that I'm gonna feed them to. And I take zero responsibility if they get ill. Okay, we'll see you back at the table. Okay, as you can see, we're back at the table with our two guests.
Hi.
Dorothy, Mr. Len,
And of course, Brody.
and our egg rolls.
Yes. Oh, dipper bowls right there.
Oh, well, okay, I only need a little bit, so.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. How do they taste? They're probably a little warm. Mm. Mm.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Probably could have, yeah, I can't speak. Probably could have been cooked a little bit longer.
For the crispiness, you mean?
Yeah,
Yeah, but
but I didn't want to overdo them.
yeah.
So, yeah, they're yummy. Yeah.
Tell us what you think.
I don't know yet.
I know.
They're hot.
Mm-hmm.
I'm burning my fingers. Mmm. Very good.
Yeah?
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Try the stir fry too because you've never had our stir fry before.
No, I haven't.
And you can let us know what you think.
Okay.
Okay.
Mmm.
Let's see what Len thinks of them.
It's not like I specially made the sauce, but
Really good, eh?
real good. Real
Yeah?
good. Yep.
Mmm.
I'm gonna, I'll taste.
Oh, okay.
Mmm.
Very good. We're making these more often.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hey. All right, so that was it. Egg rolls, spring rolls. I guess they're more spring rolls because we used the spring roll. I couldn't find the specific egg roll ones. I don't know if they really exist or just the way that Michelle did them. I don't know, but they were good.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. That was this week's of Cooking with Kevin, spring rolls. And as I say every week, I don't know what I'm going to make, but I'm sure Kelly will tell me. We'll see you next week.